Welcome to Auto Talks, Saturday, February 20th, 2021. Weekly automotive updates. Before we get started, please subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any video in the future. Semiconductor shortage continues to impact the vehicle production and companies' profitability forecast. This week, more than a dozen business groups representing automakers, medical device makers, and manufacturers sent a letter to President Joe Biden on Thursday calling on him to work with the U.S. lawmakers to provide federal funding for the construction of new chip factories. The groups, which include the U.S. Chamber of Commerce as well as industry-specific associations representing General Motors, Caterpillar, and Medtronic, among others, sent the letter as a shortage of semiconductors continues to disrupt U.S. automobile factories and threaten to lower the automakers' profits by billions of dollars. According to Bloomberg News, President Joe Biden's top economic advisor, Brian Deese, has sought the Taiwanese government's help resolving a global semiconductor shortage that is idling U.S. car manufacturing plants. TSMC, Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company Limited, is running at its full capacity. TSMC is kind of a bottleneck for the microchip shortage issue, so any audience who is interested in the stock market may take a look at their stock. Their stock is traded in New York Stock Exchange with the stock code TSM. The shortage issue will likely last for 40 to 50 weeks. Jeep is one of the several brands experimenting with Google's tool for viewing a vehicle in 3 dimensions. Here is how it works. When a customer searches for a certain vehicle on their mobile device, a matching 3D model will be available to view. In 3D mode, customers can conduct a virtual walkaround or even place their vehicle in their everyday environment. Ford intends to exclusively sell full electric passenger vehicles in Europe by 2030. To aid in their effort, Ford is investing $1 billion into a new electrification center at their Cologne, Germany plant. Ford further committed to making all of their passenger vehicles sold in Europe driven by either a battery electric or plug-in hybrid drivetrain by 2026. On the commercial vehicle side, Ford believes that by 2030, 2/3 of their commercial vehicle sales will be either electric or plug-in hybrid vehicles. They have not yet commented on if internal combustion engine-based commercial vehicles will still be available in Europe in 2030 and beyond. Mitsubishi revealed the new 2022 Outlander this week. Highlights include a more powerful standard engine and a new interior technology. The new Outlander shares platform and drivetrain elements with the 2021 Nissan Rogue, which has been well received thus far. Takao Kato, the CEO of Mitsubishi, believes the new Outlander will expand Mitsubishi's sales in the North American market, with global growth of the brand following. The Hyundai Kona is receiving a moderate makeover for the 2022 model year. The subcompact crossover is receiving updated styling, new interior technology, and a sporty N-Line variant. The N-Line Kona will use the turbocharged 1.6-liter engine that will also be available on the limited trim of the 2022 model. Subaru of America is preparing to launch an off-road focused sub-brand known as Wilderness. The sub-brand will launch with the 2022 Outback and Forester, who currently make up 54% of Subaru's US sales. Wilderness models of the popular vehicles will feature a rugged appearance package and increased off-road capability. Chevrolet expanded its electric vehicle portfolio with the introduction of the new all-electric 2022 Bolt EUV, alongside the redesigned 2022 Bolt EV, distinguished by unique exterior designs, including an SUV-like proportion for the new Bolt EUV. Each is propelled by the proven technology that helped make the Bolt EV the industry's first affordable long-range electric vehicle, and both are part of General Motors' plan to launch 30 new EVs globally by 2025. With regard to GM's initial EV model, I think Chevy Bolt is too small, even though its powertrain performance is pretty good. Normally, the first model launched should be a relatively large and premium model in order to position the EV technology at a reasonably high price. For example, a Cadillac crossover or sedan would target a market segment that is not as price sensitive as the one of a Chevy Bolt. Anyway, it looks like GM is trying to correct its mistake by launching the Bolt EUV. So this has been the updates for this week. Please comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.